most respected today's chief guest, Mr. Devdutt sir, distinguished teachers, and all my loving students as well as the parents who are witness of today's program. Wish you all happy Independence Day. Students, you know that today we all are gathered here to celebrate and commemorate our 77th Independence Day. It is the big day for us. This day signifies the value of patriotism. You know that on this very day, we got the freedom from the British rule. Over 200 years, the British ruled on us. We worked under the British slavery. So after rigorous and continuous, relentless movement and by the struggle of our freedom fighters like Lala Lajpat Rai, Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad and many more freedom fighters who sacrificed their life, by their contribution we got the freedom. This is the day to give them a tribute. My dear students, you know at the time of independence there were lots of problems like poverty, illiteracy, education system. But after 77 years, now we can say that India is now one of the emerging country in the form of economy, technology, in every aspect. It is a great now revenue for the India. For your kind information, India today, the celebration of independence doesn't mean to just wishes all. The feeling of patriotism should be, we should protect our unity in diversity. You know, India is a country of unity in diversity. We have a diverse in religion, caste, creed and race. Many where we have, diversity. So we have to protect it also. The motive of celebrating independence is nation first. Our nation must be first, priority. I want to quote a line of APJ Abdul Kalam. He said, if a country is to be corruption free, there are the three societal key factors which matters. They are the father, mother and the teacher. So my dear students, teachers are the nation builder. They are the character developer. You all are here to take the render services of our teachers. So my dear students, you have to be here for granting the holistic education. आप सभी जो कर सकते हैं, नेवर आस्क कि देश ने आपके लिए क्या किया. अब हमेशा सोचो कि आपने देश के लिए क्या किया. आप देश को कुछ अच्छा दे सकते हो. आप देश के लिए कुछ अच्छा कर सकते हो टेक्नोलॉजी में और बाकी चीजों में. तो हमें देश को अगर डेवलप बनाना है तो हम सबको मिलकर काम करना होगा. एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम ने एक बात और कही थी, when there is righteousness in the heart, then there is a beauty in the character. When there is a beauty in the character, then there is a harmony in the home. When there is a harmony in the home, then there is a order in the nation. And when there is order in the nation, then only there will be a peace in the world. So this is the right time. We all, these students and all the people who are listening me, today is only the day to remember the sacrifice of our freedom fighters. They had lost their life only for us. Our forefathers, they have lost their life only for upcoming generation. They live freely without any problem. So we have no any burden. We have our rights. We have a constitution. We have everything to follow. So we need to understand. I hope all of you understand. So I want to conclude my speech. Thank you everyone.